So here we have the Seat Leon 1.6 TDI SE dynamic technology on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start off with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side we have the speedometer and the fuel gauge as well. You can see the total miles of this car are 17,867. The information that's displayed above that, which is currently a digital readout for the speedometer, can be changed using buttons on the steering wheel. So we're on the driver data menu at the moment, so fuel economy information, but there are other menus along the top here, as you can see: navigation, audio, telephone, vehicle status, and background to driving data again. So plenty of information to access, all of which is done using the buttons on this side of the steering wheel. We also have voice activation for your phone on that side as well. And then on the left hand side we have stereo controls and the ability to answer incoming phone calls. Behind that, on the indicator stalk, we have cruise control, as you can see, and you can set the speed down on the side just there. Over on the main screen is where you would pair up your phone, amongst other things. So if we go to the main menu, this is all touch screen. So starting with the radio in the top corner there, you can see this car's got DAB, FM and AM radio. In terms of other ways to listen to your music, there are plenty of them. Hit source just there and you can see them all listed. One of them, which you can see, is Bluetooth audio. So once you pair up a phone, not only can you make and receive phone calls, but you can also listen to your music wirelessly as well. This car also has satellite navigation. There's a full video showing that working on our website and on our Facebook page, which is well worth checking out. And down the bottom there is where you can pair up your phone. Working our way down, we've got the air conditioning. Just briefly before I go on to that though, this button here is well worth knowing about. When you hit that button, you're turning this system off. Basically, this car is designed to cut out in traffic when you're stationary to save you fuel. As I say, hit that button to turn that system off. Below that, we've got the air conditioning. So you can select the temperature over here, hot and cold round this side, fan speed, direction of the air. Press that button to turn the air conditioning on, or press it again to turn it off, of course. And then we've got the rear screen heater, and that button will recirculate the air that's currently inside the car. Below that, we've got two USB inputs and the auxiliary input, the fully automatic gearbox, and then an electronic handbrake with auto hold function. So press that to turn it on. When you come to a complete stop with your foot down on the brake, the handbrake will turn itself on. As soon as you get to accelerate again, it will turn itself back off, or you can of course press the button to turn it off. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.